giờ như giá bà sĩ ngài hết thế bà mình cái cô lên mới tiếp bỏ giá bà sĩ cái cái này là mà mua mà cái mà cái tụ cả mà xíu cho giá tự nhiên ngã sapa si si mà nhà nhị bây giờ có chỉ kia là về bộ mùa khó về lia là mi sát tới là cái sát chia cái lấy mua tiền bỏ tiền là chặt túi từ si Kenapa aku kamu dah sahaja.
Ini kemati mau dah jam.
Ya kasut. Nah, si tu malu. Fini dulu tetere. Aku mati tipa macam me. Likho ngah kati ngah te. Ngah ho ngah hati paciwe. Ngah ho ngah ngah jati pala ya ciwe ngah japa macam le citi pa ngah sapa ngah sama ngah jati pala ciwe. Ngah vi pama. Thoki lah ya. Ya pasti oleh miti pome. Lu liau dah mau kocil le. Migi cikwa le. Jasiwe jomoli pumaga ya kote jaja ciwe. Omi opu kado jole. Lu dah malu opu kama opu cikane te le go vela. Kane te se le. Hiju kicoja ciwe. Ciwe ngah sapa ngah ho ngah benefio. Oyau do te pala ya. Abi pamai memai. Ya. Ya. Sini ngah sapa ke. Sake. Ngome. Ciwe le. Ngah sapa ngah ho ngah hati pala ya. Ngah sapa yehහැ sio have yehහැ ya cite. Yehහැ le otha be teo ngo echai posa.
It's not the best circumstance, but yes.
Yeah, that's okay. Eso. Apa? Si. Okay, lao dia magalia. Okay, magalia lao dia pati pa. Citi pa osapa me, citi pa ohati thaluga ya. Si Nick le si Jeko le ada ohati thaluga ya. Ohati thaluga ya. Ochio kamaja. Sija omuka. Ya pasio ngome. Novi no nate pale no ya pate pa. Aku sele tega je khati kile. Dono vitu. No hati fecha. Okay. 어미야 포 가서 좋아하네. 미기 지콜래. Sabadi again, non cha. Okay. Oh, nggak sapa esi. Jom lagi sagelo gaje. hk'aw, saya apa? Good to see you. Thank you for coming. Okay. Ya pasio me. No me tute. Nggak sapa hati paluga ya masih tiba. Hotel kamama ya mah ya. Ya tiba kapete so. Ya pasti hata yo ya kalau huwi le liko kale boyeko. Lo omimi caya itu. Oh ya banyak le, obi banyak le. Kami ya apa cabu? Ovio na coba pati pak. Anime je ka anime mak yate pak. Siwite pa ngaha yate pa le ya. Apa sih pale?
Give we pray to your servants, saying, She fell at his feet and said to him, Lord, if you had been here, my brother would not have died. When Jesus saw her weeping, and the Jews who had come with her weeping, he became perturbed and in trouble and said, Where have you laid him? They said to him, Sir, come and see. And Jesus wept. So the Jews said, See how he loved him. Because some of them said, Could not the one who has opened the eyes of the blind man have done something so that this man would not have died? So Jesus, perturbed again, came to tell you that if you believe, you will see the glory of God. So they took away the stone. And Jesus raised his eyes and said, Father, I thank you for hearing me. I know that you always hear me, but because of the crowd here, I have said this, that they may believe that you sent me. And when he had said this, he cried out in a loud voice, Lazarus, come out. The dead man came out, tied hands with burial bands, and his face was wrapped in a cloth. So Jesus said to them, Untie him and let him go. Now many of the Jews who had come to Mary and seen what he had done began to believe in him. The Gospel